Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to turn off closed caption on Fubotv. Okay, now this is available on all devices compatible with Fubotv. For example, for Android, if you want to turn it off, you just press the up or down button on your remote, okay, on your Android TV, to open up the player controls, and then go to the right to highlight the more option, and then you press the center or select button, and then select settings. Now, it's the same process to turn it on or off. You just press the center or select button on the English or CC1 for English caption, Espanol or CC2 for Spanish captions, or off, okay, to turn the captions off. So you make sure to click on off. Same process, guys, Apple TV. Okay, swipe up or down on the touchpad of your Apple TV remote to bring up info and settings, and then swipe right to highlight subtitles and audio, and then you go ahead and highlight and select off if you want to turn it off. For a browser, click on the gear icon at the bottom right, and then what you do, guys, click on turn captions off. Very easy and very, very simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.